Hey, what's up, Tron holder? What's up, Tron holder? So, what's my prediction to upcoming days? They're going up or they fail us down? What's the new target of TRX? And what's my opinion to this is selling time or holding time? So, welcome to ABS Tech channel. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video. Before I get started this video, please like this video. This is very important for me. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for like and subscription, my friend. If you check out this time already, you can see here the last 24 hours result is open and the chart is open on this time, my friend. If you can see here this time after this is they moving and the circulation, you can see here this is small circulation. I draw first of all. You can see here after a very small falls they take a very high jump, my friend, and they're moving a very highly speed up, my friend. You can see here they change occurred in the last 24 hours. 4.69% they're moving up. So congratulations, my friend. Every cryptocurrency is moving and it's like a snack. If they're moving and this circulation, exactly the good time is coming, and they're moving up like a rocket. Only they're moving and the moon, my friend. So if they're moving and this circulation, exactly the good time is coming soon, my friend. Please hold it. Please, this is my opinion for you to please hold it. Don't sell it, because my prediction to upcoming days they're going up. What you say they're going up in upcoming days or fellas down, please tell me also in a comment box, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, the target is, my friends, $2 for the end of this month. I hope they can hit it. The target $2. I hope they hit it, my friend. The two no sorry $1. Sorry, $1 is the target for the end of this month. I hope they can hit it. What you say, can they hit it, the target? I hope they hit it, my friend. So please, TRX coin, keep touch with ABS Tech channel. I guide you. This time you can see here absolutely holding time. Please hold it and sell it at the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.